Good morning, it's Bev at Planet Crochet. Just a quick one to let you know that I will be doing the crochet kit. Cuthbert the caterpillar. I've already done one. Cute, isn't he? There you go. He's got too many spots, but that's my fault. I put all the spots on for 2 caterpillars, forgot until the last one, and I'm like, oops a daisy. I've put safety eyes on. If you've already bought the kit, you'll see the embroidered eyes, but I like safety eyes. It looks cleaner for me. I did an alternative eye. I'll show you how to do that one on the tips and tricks. There's enough yarn in here for 2. Enough stuffing, I think. I use my own stuffing for this one, but I think there's enough stuffing. I've got some left from Kevin down there, and yarn. There's a hook inside the crochet kit. I personally can't use these because it hurts my hand. I now use one called Clover. As you can see, yesterday I tried to start this tutorial and the weather was dull in here, to say the least, and I've got a lovely window here and it was so dark, so I had to stop, and I'm all set up ready to do. But Cuthbert is coming this week. How to? I don't know how long it will take, as in part 1, 2, 3. I shouldn't think it would take more than 3, just like Kevin. I'll leave a link below for Kevin as well. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll leave those below. Also, I have playlists on how to do crochet stitches. They're a little bit older, me starting on my YouTube channel. I haven't looked at them for quite a while. I was thinking of redoing them, but anyway, I've left them in the playlist. Basic stitches, and then if you're looking how to, there's other things you can do as well if you're new to crochet. If you're new, buy yourself some good quality stitch markers. I don't know what make this is, but I used to buy, I thought I was saving pennies, but they kept snapping. Same with the darning needle that comes with the kit. For me, it's a little bit too big, overkill. Buy yourself, this is just my recommendation, buy yourself a pack of usually 3 darning needles, and they come in different sizes, lengths, diameters, and the eyes of the needles are different as well. I can use this yarn and the chunky I've got behind me with a smaller eye of a needle, so you don't need, it's good that they put it in, because they used to put plastic in before, and plastic hooks, and they've changed it, so it's good for your money. £2.99, and I don't think you can buy them anymore. Aldi's have sold out. They sold out pretty quick, so I'm glad I got one of each. I've got a couple of carrot, Kevin the carrot, hanging about. Just leave a comment below if you would like one of those, and I'll get back to you on that. But Cuthbert is on his way. He's quite cute, isn't he? I find this bow a bit strange. I thought I could put it up here, maybe. You could change it. But they do sell a cake, a celebration cake, that with a bow on, I think. I'm not sure. I've never bought one. Anyway, keep your eyes out, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. That helps me out as well, but also you won't miss Cuthbert and any future videos I do. And I am really grateful for the support, for the subscribers I already have. I hit 1,000 subscribers, was it late October? Which, it's been a hard slog being a one-woman band. But I really appreciate it, and thank you very much if you come back and you do watch my videos. But for any future subscribers, thank you again, and for supporting my channel. I'll catch you later in the week when I make Cuthbert, but till then, bye for now.